What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at my house. Behind me here I have our Freightliner loaded up with our mini excavator and our skid steer. We need this truck tomorrow to move a ton of lumber. The lumber yard could not get it delivered to us in time, and we made so much progress on the job this week that we don't have time to wait around and wait. So my uncle's going to meet me here in the morning, and we're going to take this truck over to the lumberyard and load a ton of material on it. I'm also going to have my pickup truck. We're going to put some stuff on that. That way I can get up there before my uncle, because driving this truck all the way to that job site, it's about an hour and a half, and it is very mountainy going there. So he's going to be a bit slower than me. So I'll bring the stuff that we need first thing, and then he can get there with the rest. But I need to get this truck unloaded. That way tomorrow morning we're not messing around with it. I do need to pull it forward a little bit. I think once I slide this back and drop it, I'm not going to have enough room here to get the equipment off. So I'm going to pull it forward, and then we'll get everything unchained, put the deck down, and get these unloaded. The only concern I have is if this truck is going to start. Last time I loaded the equipment on here, and also the day my uncle drove it up here, the batteries were dead both times. So hopefully, well, the miles are letting up, so hopefully that's a good sign. Let's see what happens. Well, it's got a lot of juice. This thing should start. Oh yeah, no problem. Beautiful. Let's let it build up some air, and we'll pull it forward and get this unloaded. Knew that was gonna happen. It's okay, we got the brakes off. We're just gonna inch it right up to the edge of the road here. Just as much room as possible. That'll be good. All right, let's go get this thing unloaded. is like a sauna in here right now.
Alright guys, that is dropping my John Deere key, but that is pretty much it for this one. I just had to get it unloaded, and tomorrow morning we'll be back here grabbing this truck and heading to the lumberyard. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.